All right, good afternoon, everybody. James here, and this is going to be our nightly recap for the Small Account Challenge. Things are going a little bit better today. We did pretty well, both recovery-wise and with our day trade. So, as you're aware, we carried over Microsoft another day into today, and we had a good morning. As you could see here, Microsoft gapped up this morning, and even though it was red at the end of the day, right, we gapped up quite a bit, 137.87, over $1, almost $1.50. So that ended up bringing us up fairly nice. Okay, and it brought us from, at one point we were about over $100 down to the close today, only $25 down. And at one point, I think I actually saw it get up to about an 8% profit. I had a 10% profit set in there. It just did not quite reach it. You can see here we were pretty close. So just pull up the 15-minute chart. We gapped up and it came up, came back down, traded along the VWAP half the day, and it got about here is about an 8% profit. And then as got closer to the end of the day, market started to sell off a little bit, and we closed down here, still up, but way better than where we were at. So this is much better, $25 down. My plan was to close it today. I actually adjusted the sell price down to 8% and then down to 5%, and just didn't get that fill at the end of the day, unfortunately. So no worries. I do want to get out of this tomorrow. I don't want to hold anything over the weekend. I want to be all cash come Monday. So my goal will be, regardless of where we are at with Microsoft end of day, if I haven't sold it, I will sell it. Same thing, if it tanks and we get to $50 loss, I will cut it out. I will not risk losing any more than that. But hopefully we get 10% win tomorrow. I may even take it for a scratch and just wipe the slate clean. Okay. After that, let's see. So after reviewing that, we took one trade today. We took CVX, which is Chevron. There we go. Okay, I took it here. I took the September 20th 121 calls. And I took it for 145, and I closed it out, I don't know, about 40 minutes later. What is that? Yeah, something like that. For $1.60, right, which was just over 10%. I think it was like 10.5%. So not bad. It was a quick little hold, got 15%, or excuse me, $15 on it, 10.5%. So looking at that one, I was playing again the 15-minute squeeze. Let's see. I think it was the 15-minute squeeze. Yeah. Okay. So I found this one. I liked it. It actually had multiple squeezes going on, and I took it. Let me see if I can zoom in here for you without the Fibonacci in the way. What time did we take this? 7:25 this morning. So, right around here is where we entered on the pullback to the 8. And as you can see, it ran up to the 786, and then just shy of that is where I sold it. 809, yeah. So just over the 786 retracement is where I hit 10%. Now I know some members actually wrote it out a little bit longer and actually wrote it up to over the 100% retracement and got something like 25%. So this worked out perfectly. We got in the squeeze, it ran up, we sold. As you can see, it never really went past below the VWAP, so you would have been a winner almost regardless for the whole day. But nice and quick and easy. So these intraday trades, rather than trying to swing and go for a day or more and a lot larger percent, the intraday is working a lot better. Finding a 10 or a 15-minute squeeze and just taking a quick 10% is working, and that's needed because we are trying to recover our balance. We had 3 really big losers with Echo Lab, Now, and said Jesse DG. So those 3 losers actually brought us down to under 300, And with Microsoft's recovery and the last 3 green days here of small 10% gains, I've got us back up. Actually, I think pretty close to $100. So we're just shy of 400 in net liquid. Going into tomorrow, I'll have about $174 to trade with, which again, still probably only going to be about 1 contract. And my goal here is to get us back above 400 would be ideal, or at least just shy of that. So that way we can start Monday just shy of $400, right around 400, and we'll grow it back up. Okay, so quick and easy. I mean, again, it was only a 30-minute day trade, in and out, one at a time. Now, if I can get Microsoft closed out, we should be able to either do multiple contracts or 2 day trades, right? Maybe we'll do one in the morning, one in the afternoon. But at least once we close out Microsoft, we'll have a little bit more to work with, and we can try to grow it back up to that $1,000 a little bit faster. All right, so that's it. That's the end of the recap. Quick, simple, and easy. And I will see you guys in the morning. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great evening.